Welcome back to a free school. Alright. The first knowledge that you need to know, all the top marketer know how to create their own website. Alright. All top marketers, not left even a single person that do not know how to create website. All of them know how to create website. So to be a top marketer, if we want to include ourselves to be a top marketer, there's no reason for us to do not know how to create website. This is no exception at all. Alright, we must know how to create website to be one of the top marketer in the world. Okay, so what is the advantage for us if we know how to create website for our own? First, definitely we can promote online. Okay, the second one, definitely we or you yourself can deliver your message or idea faster than others, because if any ideas come across into your mind, you just sit, open your computer, and then put all the ideas and blast your website to the world. So you are master than others. You are reaching your customer, your prospect faster than others. Alright, and then the third one, definitely you can try a lot of new ideas. Once you try your new ideas, you yourself will know whether your idea gonna work or not. Alright, so once you find out a certain method that work out, you yourself will earn the benefit. Alright, and then another one, there is another source of income if you know how to create your website. Where people can hire you to create their website. Alright, now the charge to create a website is not cheap, ladies and gentlemen. It's expensive. Alright, so based on your knowledge, based on your ability, you can simply earn a lot of money by creating other people's website. Okay, and then another source of income, if you know how to create a website at the surround area, at your neighborhood, you can teach, you can open up a workshop to teach others on create website. That is another source of income if you know how to create website. But a lot of people make an excuses not to learn, because why? Their mentality always thinking that learn how to create a website is very expensive. You need to go to college, you need to go to school, you need to take a special a course for that, and then will cost you a lot of money. Alright, but I tell you, that is no more excuse over here. In this website, you're gonna get it for free, absolutely free. And then another second excuse that people always give is very difficult to learn to create website. Alright, that is no more excuse over here, because why? In this free school website, you will learn how to create website with video. We will teach you step by step. Alright, we're gonna teach you step by step how to create your website. Alright, so learn from this website, learn from the video that we provide over here, and then be a webmaster. See you in the next session. Thank you.